Hi everyone, it's Ars from Carpentry and Construction Limited. In today's video I'll show you how to mitre the skirtings. Easy way. So you have two options. One is by using the jigsaw and one is using coping saw. So if you are not confident enough or you don't have jigsaw, you can always use the coping saw. But I would say you would need mitre saw of some sort because it's a big part of getting job done right. So the first job we need to do is cut 45 degrees on opposite way. So if you need to do this corner, right hand side corner, then what you need to do, you need to cut mitre 45 angle this way. If you need to do other side, you need to cut this side off. And what that will give you the shape of the skirting. You're gonna have to follow to cut off the excess, so you can, once you've cut, so it marries together. So another thing what you might have is that your wall is not straight, and if that's the case, you offer it on like that. So this, imagine this is your wall, not straight, so you offer your skirting, and all you got to do is mark the line parallel, and then you need to find it on your saw depending on what angle you're gonna have. And again, you same way, you cut it 45, and that's how you're gonna get your A angle, and B in the same way you're gonna cut the 45 to get your line where you need to cut. So let's assume that this, well, we'll cut it together, so let's cut 45. Once you cut your 45, next thing you want to do, you want to cut this straight cut, but you want to have a couple of degrees angle, and reason being is so you got one point which needs to touch your skirting, and that's the way you're gonna get it the best finish or best alignment. So let's do that. So once that's done, now you need to cut straight here, straight, and then you need to copy this shape. So we'll do first one with the hand saw, coping saw. So the first one, as you can see, so that's the finish you can get. All nice and tight. If there is a problem, what you can do, you can always put it on a piece or in a corner and tap. So what that will do, that will close in more the cut, because we cut it so on such a small angle as well. What it does, it'll squash in the imperfection if you have one. So the next cut we'll do on a other way, which is using the jigsaw. So again, same way, you need to determine which side you need, and we'll do other side. Put 45 again. Again, you need to make sure that it's parallel to the wall. If not, then you butt it to it and mark which way you need to cut your cut to be. Then I usually put like 10 degrees, and I cut this back 10 to 5. The next job is jigsaw. this is the quality you're gonna get, which is spot on. So I've seen a lot when you get to this sort of stop end, and when they haven't been really executed very well. So I'll show you how to do stop end. If you, for instance, got a stairs and you don't want to turn your skirting around the stairs or landing, so what you can do, if you got to, you can stop rather than having a square cut. So rather than having your square cut, what you do, or what we're going to do, we're going to cut back from the point 45, sort of facing backwards. Let's set up the saw, so you can do it either way. Some saws will allow you to do both ways 45. I'll just go on this side. What you do, turn your piece accordingly. So you've cut your, assuming this is right length, so this point should be where you want your skirting to stop. So now what you've got to do, you've got to cut other mitre to the other side. So, and by using the glue, mighty glue, you get your corner. So, to finish off your stop end, you'll need mitre glue with the spray. So put these glue on one side, spray the other side, and join two together. And that's how you get your stop end.